omukoro ogu gubire kugenderera kurondana empiha zo kugura ebyoma engoma z'omurembe hamwe n'enanga zo kwejunisa omu kuramya n'okuhimbisa Mukama kandi gwebembirwe abashaija hamwe n'aboojo.
When you grow and you know who you are and truly know that you are created to be for signs and for wonders, there is no way you can be held back in the worst of conditions of life.
As students, please play your role as a student. Don't enter into someone's role, but play your role and make sure that we unite to see this university lighting the world.
Hona ahari abo abarukushoma bakaheza bakabura emirumo bashabirwa okugumisiriza kandi n'obutaho amaani omu kuhiga emirumo egyo.
Don't also be too comfortable and say, nyine certificate kyakora ki kyahwa. You know the world you're in is very competitive. So there is no way you can settle for less and expect what? The best. You must continue pursuing.
Twashanga service aha n'ababarubona twareba bishatu byakana baryabashija na n'abasigazi kandi cyumu cyakana kiriye abishi kutwakugira umusinje omashomero ogukwasa kutaho abashija n'eminyeeto yabojo omukanisa kikabasa kuritereka na Kristo yagumaho abashija bagumamo.
Aha mukoro ogu habiriho empaka zitari zimwe na zimwe ezetabirwamo abashaija n'abatsigazi nko kuhata okujwaraje okunywa amizi hamwe n'ezindi.
So that God made man in his image. Now you have a maker who has made you in his own image, and you think it is impossible to do things. Is there anything impossible with God?
Gasha kwa Michael atwachiri.